Right, hello and welcome to a little explaining of the document you're going to need to use to complete this piece of work. So I'm going to walk you through what this is all about. So rounding, and as I said here, it's a type of guess or estimate. Rounding is based on place value. So to help us understand that, I've put a number 7,544,382 into a table that shows all the place values of the numbers. Millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, and so on. Now our first job is to round this to the nearest 10. Now 10 is the second last number, the tens. In this case it's 8. So the place value of the tens is 8. So that's the number we focus on first. Now, the number when we round it is either going to be 7,544,380 rounded down, or 7,544,390 rounded up. And it all depends on the next number to the right. So now we've got to have a look at the next number to the right. In this case, it's 2. If it is 5 or more, then the answer is 7,544,390, so we round up. If it's less than 5, then the answer is 7,544,380. So because that number is less than 5, we round down. So that's the answer to the nearest 10, 7,544,380. Now the first exercise, all of these you have to round to the nearest 10, which we now know is the second last number. So that's our first exercise, rounding to the nearest 10. Make sure you look at here to see where the tens are the second last number. The next exercise is rounding to the nearest 100, which is the third last number. Hundreds, third last number. So let's have a look. Use an example, 123,672. The third last number is 6. The 100 place value is the third last number, 6. So when you round it, it's either going to be 349,600 or 349,700. Depends whether we round up or down. If we look at the next number after the 6, that's more than 5. So we have to round up. So the 6 becomes a 7, and the rest of the numbers are zeros, 349,700. And the next exercise is all of these we round to the nearest 100. So the first number we look at is the third last number. And to work out whether we round up or down, we look at the number next to it, whether it's 5 or more or less than 5. And remember, when you round, the last numbers are zeros. One example from here, just have a quick look. Here's 1,327,509 to the nearest 10,000. So we have to go back and have a look here. 10,000s is the fifth last number. So that would be fifth last number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 2. So you'd have to change round up or round down on the 2. So that's rounding. Then you do exercise 3-01 and questions 1 to 5, which is all of those there. You can do the answers on the sheet or in your book as you did before, and take a photo and insert it here. Next one is estimating, and when you estimate, you have to round. So if a number has 3 digits, we're rounding to the nearest 100, 2 digits to the nearest 10, 1 digit, you leave it alone. So I've got an example here, 231 plus 5, 459 plus 32 plus 66. That's rounded to the nearest 100, which is 200. 459 is rounded to the nearest 100, which is 500. 32 is rounded to 30 and 66 rounded to 70. And you just add up these ones there, add those up, you'll get to 800. That's our estimate. And I've said here that's not the final exact answer because the real answer is 788, but our job here is to estimate using rounding. And we've got these questions here to do. Each one of them involves rounding. Okay, one more thing. Some of you have had trouble inserting a photo. So let's have a look how you do it. You find this down arrow here and click on it. It'll show you the menus that you can use. And to put a photo in, you click on Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And I've got one here ready to go. Click on that, open. There it is. If you still have troubles, let me know. But that's basically a run through of what you've got to do for this week for Year 7. Thank you.